एवरीवन, अभी मैं मौजूद हूँ किदार वैली चिल्ड्रन एकेडमी सुमाड़ी तिलवाड़ा के क्लास 7th के क्लासरूम में। तो अभी 4th पीरियड चल रहा है, जियोग्राफी का पीरियड है। तो बच्चों ने काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वर्क किया हुआ है। तो मैं आपको 1 by 1 दिखाती हूँ कि हमारे विद्यालय किदार वैली चिल्ड्रन एकेडमी सुमाड़ी तिलवाड़ा की नोटबुक में बच्चों ने कैसा काम किया हुआ है।
This is the types of environment.
Types of environment. How many types of environment?
There are 3 types of environment. First, man-made. Second, human environment. Third, natural environment.
Good. Sit down. Inside our earth, Anushka Bhatt. Inside our earth, what is the figure? Tell us.
This is the 3 layers of the earth. First, crust. Second, mantle. Third, core.
The first layer of the earth is,
Crust.
and then
Mantle. And the last one is core.
can you tell me what is the thinnest layer of the earth? Thinnest layer of the earth.
Crust.
Crust. It is right answer. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me, Priya?
This is the types of environment in this figure.
Can you tell me how many types of environment?
There are 3 types of environment. First, human environment. Second, human-made environment. Third, natural environment.
Can you tell me one example of human-made environment?
For example, the building,
Yes.
schools, etc.
Okay. Anushka, tell me what is the figure showing?
These are the 3 types of. These are the 3 types.
There are.
There are 3 layers of the earth. First one is crust. Second, mantle. Third, core.
The thinnest layer of the earth is
Crust.
crust. Right answer. Sit down. Aradhya Rana, what is the figure showing? Earthquake. Okay.
This is the types of atmosphere. There are 5 types of atmosphere. First, troposphere. Second, stratosphere. Third, lithosphere. Fourth, thermosphere. Fifth, exosphere.
Okay. Okay. The ideal condition of the flying airplane is.
Stratosphere, making the ideal condition for flying aeroplanes.
And one important thing is the stratosphere.
Ozone layer.
Ozone layer presented in the stratosphere.
Stratosphere.
Okay. Sit down. Good.
Thank you.
Yes.
My name is Akshra. I am the student of 7th standard,
Okay. This is the map of.
South America,
And can you tell me what is the map showing?
Amazon River.
Amazon River flow in this region. Okay, you made the figure of rock cycle. What is rock cycle? Okay, Anshika Negi, once again you made the figure of rock cycle. Can you tell me what is rock cycle?
Any natural mass of
Mineral matter.
mineral matter and
I am the student of class 7.
Okay, tell me some important points of South America.
In South America, the rivers flow called Amazon River.
Okay. So Srishti, what is this?
This figure is showing interior part of Earth.
Okay, interior part of Earth. First one is,
Crust,
second,
mantle,
and third one.
core.
And where is crust, mantle, and core in this figure?
This.
Okay, first one is crust, second mantle, and third is core. Okay, sit down. The map of South America. Okay, the equator passes through in which countries of South America?
Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador.
Okay, sit down. Bhumi. Yes. What is this?
Component of environment.
How many component of environment?
There are 3 components of environment. First, human-made environment. Second, human environment. Third, natural environment.
One example of natural environment.
Water, trees,
Water, trees, mountain. Yes, what is this?
I drew the diagram of the components of environment. There are three components of environment: human, human-made environment, and natural environment.
Okay, sit down. Yes, Prakhya. Wow, what is this?
This is spring tide.
This is neap tide. Tell me something about tide.
The strong gravitational pull exerted by sun and moon is known as tides.
Okay, the strong gravitational pull exerted by sun and moon is how many types of tide?
There are two types of tides, neap tides and spring tide.
Can you tell me how many types of rock?
There are three types of rock:
Okay.
igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock.
Metamorphic rock. Okay, igneous rock is also called primary rock. Okay, sit down. The map of South America. Can you tell me the Amazon River flow in which direction? East. East to west. Are you sure? Your answer is
West to east.
and shh. What is the figures showing?
Volcano and origin of
Speak louder.
volcano and origin of earthquake.
Origin of earthquake and volcano eruption. Okay, it is focus.
It is the organic
Origin of seismic energy. Okay, sit down. What is this?
rock cycle.
Rock cycle. Okay,
It is layer of atmosphere.
layer of atmosphere. How many layers of atmosphere?
There are 5 layers of atmosphere.
5 layers of atmosphere. Okay. Name.
First troposphere, second stratosphere, third mesosphere, fourth thermosphere, fifth exosphere.
Okay. The asteroid and meteoroids burn in which layer of the earth?
Mesosphere.
Mesosphere. Right answer. Sit down. Once again, what is this?
Component of environment.
Component of environment. Okay, how many components of environment?
There are three components of environment.
Okay, name.
First, human environment. Second, natural environment. Third, human-made environment.
Okay. Give me one example of human environment. Human environment.
Family.
Yes. How many layers of the earth?
These are three
There are
There are three layers of the earth.
First-
Crust, second mantle, third core.
the innermost layer of the earth is
Crust.
the innermost layer of the earth is core. Okay.
This is volcano eruption.
Volcano eruption. Okay, Chitrarth. Layers of the earth. Okay. What is this?
Component of environment.
Component of environment. Okay. What is this?
Continental crust and oceanic crust.
Continental crust and oceanic crust. Difference between continental crust and oceanic crust.
Constitutes of air.
Constituents of air. The percentage of nitrogen in the environment is
78%.
atmosphere is
78%.
70,
8%.
oxygen
28%.
and carbon dioxide
0.3%.
0.03.
0.03%.
Okay. Ishan, are you okay? Yes. What is this?
This is water cycle.
Water cycle. Okay. What is the? Tell me the process of water cycle.
First, evaporation. Second, condensation. Third, precipitation.
Okay, sit down. The map of South America. Okay, sit down.